Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a plugin called Atom Multistream. So let's see how it works. Atom Multistream. Let's talk about multi-streaming first. Here we have your PC, OBS, and we want to stream to YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. So now we have you here and you want to stream to all these three. What you can do is open OBS Studio multiple times, have three OBS Studio open, and each one will have a different stream key, to one to YouTube, one to Twitch, one to Kick. But this is going to have three OBS running in the background, taking all your PC resources. And also it's going to be connecting using your internet speed. You are uploading here 5 megabytes per second, and here you are uploading 3, and here you are uploading 10. For this you need 18 megabytes per second internet speed, so you can be able to stream to all these platforms. There's also another option to use a service which will be something in the middle here. You upload one time to this service, and this service is going to upload to the other platforms. But this service mostly it costs money, like Restream or anything else. You can find a lot of them online, but it's going to take a monthly subscription fee from you, uploading one time to this platform, streaming to these. The plugin multi-streaming only be using one OBS Studio, and this one OBS Studio can have streaming to multiple websites, but it still depends on your internet speed. So if you have here 10, 5, 5, you are going to need 20 megabytes of internet speed, and you need to select a main one. So this can be YouTube, our main streaming, and this will be our additive. If you don't have your main stream playing, your Twitch and your Kick will not be streaming. Main stream to be streamed, and then you can add on it. So let's see how the plugin works. Now here is the plugin. Download it and install it on your OBS. So let's come to our OBS Studio here. First let's start by our main settings. I want my main streaming to be to YouTube. So let's go on stream and select YouTube and select use stream key. Let's open YouTube and get our stream key. Let's copy our streaming key and add it to OBS. Paste, apply. Now we have, this is our main stream here, and now go to docs and you'll find Atom Multistream. We have our built-in stream. This is our main stream here. We also have a vertical canvas if you want, and now let's add one more. Go here, settings, and select add outputs. Let's select Twitch, and let's go to our Twitch settings, stream, copy our stream key and paste it here. Paste, create output, okay, and okay. Now we have one more here. You need to start. If I try to start streaming here for now, if I try to start streaming with the secondary one, it won't start because unable to start output. You need to start streaming from here first using OBS Studio. From here you start by the first one, and then you can start by the second one. You can't start by the second one. So what you need for now is just go live on YouTube, start streaming on YouTube, connected. Now you can start streaming on Twitch, and it will work with you fine without any problems. Stream manager, you are live, okay. As you can see, it will go live once you start streaming, and you can do the same for vertical streaming. Right now you know the idea and how it works. You will need a very good internet speed because this is going to be like streaming multiple times. You are now streaming more than one time, not just one time to a service like we talked about before. So everyone, this is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.